For you is you would be a leader or a follower. Thank you. Oh my God. Oh. Oh my goodness. Oh. Ooh.
How I am looking? Smart, na? Thank you.
You are looking amazing.
And you have to overthink about me. Only 10 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So इसलिए हम in overthinking because जितने भी साइंटिस्ट हैं और सक्सेसफुल पर्सन है वो क्या आपसे ज़्यादा सोचते हैं या कम सोचते हैं?
No, वो हमसे ज़्यादा सोचते हैं।
सो द पॉइंट इज़ दैट ज़्यादा सोचना प्रॉब्लम नहीं। अगर आप सोचना ही बंद कर दोगे तो आप में और जानवरों में क्या फ़र्क रह जाएगा? इसलिए ज़्यादा सोचना प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, गलत सोचना प्रॉब्लम। Let me give you few examples. There are such many person and students who don't want to take money from parents. And if any teacher tells them about any skill development and tells them any learning opportunities, then he don't want to take money from parents. वो बच्चे ना एकदम से खुददार बन जाते हैं कि नहीं सर, I don't take money from parents because the condition of the house is going bad and we have also financial problem. For doing any kind of parties, for doing your recharge your cell phone and for visiting anywhere and so many things, you will take money from your father and mother. But and before investing one such thing, you never think upon it. But when you have to invest on your learning or skill development, then you start thinking a lot, and you become most ego person, and that no sir, I don't want to create any pressure on my parents. It is right or wrong?
Right.
So by the way, good morning ladies and gentlemen. It's me Prabhat Perfect in front of you. And what happened 2 days ago, what happened with me actually, when I was going to sleep, that time I was scared, and I was thinking a lot because I will think that when I wear lungi, then what will say people and what will say public. So that's why I was very much scared. So but and I had also self-doubt because when public will laugh, then I will not able to speak in front of public. That's why I was also self-doubt. And
Whoa.
And after that, but my roommate motivated me, and he told that if you think negative, then you will not get success, because negative people never success in life. So you think positive always. And after that I did practice again and again, and eventually I removed my fear. And so I want to tell that आप प्रॉब्लम पर फोकस करो, आप गोल पर फोकस करोगे तो प्रॉब्लम दिखेगा, लेकिन जब आप गोल पर फोकस करोगे तो प्रॉब्लम अपने आप दिखना बंद हो जाएगा. हार और जीत अलग आपकी सोच पर निर्भर करता है, लेकिन अगर आप मान लो तो हार है, और अगर आप ठान लो तो जीत है। सो यू थिंक ऑलवेज पॉजिटिव। थैंक यू सो मच।